What's up guys, it's the Brick Public back here again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your LEGO clone commanders. I picked two designs today. One of them is canon and one of them is not, but they are both like not known clones. They're not known throughout Star Wars media, or not as well as other clones. So these are the clones that I'm going to be using as like base templates so I can add on to them. We'll start with the 501st Trooper, and let's get right into it. These are the pieces you're going to need for this figure. So what you are going to want to do is take the figure apart and take the arms off of the torso. Add some blue arms to the torso. So it looks like this. Add Jonak Toys waist cape. It is a black waist cape with a blue trim on it. Add that to the legs right here. Just like that. Jonak Toys Specialist Pauldron. Add that. Clone Army Customs backpack. Add that on just like that. And then add the helmet on. And then the visor. Clone Army Customs black visor. And there's the figure done. You can add the backpack below the pauldron. That's what I should have probably done because the white is hanging out. But this is the figure. I kind of just made this one up. It's not really canon, but it's a cool commander that looks like it would command the 501st. So now, let's get started with the next figure. So these are the pieces you're going to need for the last figure. What you're going to want to do is take the figure apart once again and only keep the torso. You can get rid of the helmet and the arms and the legs and stuff because you don't need them. Get Commander Gree legs. The Jonak Toys Commander Trauma waist cape. Add it on like that. Add the torso. Add the green, olive green arms. Then add the Commander Trauma Jonak Toys Pauldron. Add that on just like that. And then this is a AV Figures Commander Trauma decaled helmet, but you could go to Clone Army Customs and get a printed helmet if you don't know how to decal. And here is the figure done. It's Commander Trauma. Not really a popular clone commander, but he's still really cool nonetheless. He's probably one of the only ARF Trooper commanders known in canon, but he's still really cool. So let's go to the outro. So there are the two figures complete. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. We are really close to 750 subscribers, so if you could subscribe, that would help me out a lot. Comment down below any suggestions on clone troopers you want me to make next, like upgrading or whatnot. And yep, that's the end of the video. Hope you all had a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!